We're gonna do some cleaning up Christmas stuff up today.
Yep, it's Saturday. Welcome to Scribbles from Emily. And today we are going to be doing a cleaning of our house and then get to some Christmas decorating. So hope you enjoy.
Goodbye!
I don't know about you, but do you ever feel like trying to clean with kids around is basically an exercise in futility? I think I pulled Bennett out of the dishwasher at least twice. At least Edison wanted to help, so he's washing windows and wiping down the front of the dishwasher. Meanwhile, Bennett's pulling stuff out of the cupboards and basically trying to undo whatever I'm doing. My camera did not want to focus here, and I'm not really sure why, but you get the idea. So first I gotta pick up all of my fall decorations.
Light.
Yeah. And then you can put ornaments on it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what these are. That's what the little lights are for.
Yeah.
And the little lights.
Yeah.
I can't wait to put up in my room. I can't wait to try them on tonight. Okay, let's start with the Christmas trees.
What happened in here?
See, I took out all the stuff.
I see.
Here's some ornaments. Gotta be careful with these ones. These ones are made of glass. Yeah, perfect, but Mom, I think we have too much lights. So for the big Christmas tree, if we don't save these for a big Christmas tree, we won't have light for it.
Okay. for me. I just feel like I can never get it to look quite right, so I'm always moving stuff around. This stocking is a DIY project that I'll be making a video about here next week. This is a recreation of an Anthropology stocking that costs almost $50, and I made it for probably under $5. The one and only thing I will go Black Friday shopping for is Bath and Body Works stuff, namely these Christmas soaps and Christmas candles. I think Christmas soaps are a great way to add just a little bit of festivity to the bathroom, which is kind of neglected. So we're out trimming some branches to get some,
There's a dump truck.
yeah, to get some fir branches to decorate with. We're in the woods behind our house looking for some branches.
Now we're gonna go pick some branches from there, okay?
Ah, you're gonna make the snow fall on me. So to make my garland, all you need is some floral tape. And then just break apart your branches as needed to get the right shape and tape them together. The floral tape is really stretchy and sticky, so it will hold them together pretty nicely. Start with the sturdiest branch and then layer on top of that and form kind of a chain. And then flip the last piece around and tape it the opposite direction so that you have a good pointy end on both sides. And speaking of the bathroom, I decided to decorate our bathrooms this time. So I added some fresh fir branches and some little apothecary bottles. And then back to the kitchen, there's my garland up there. More garland up here. These are some West Elm recreations that I made also for a lot less than what you would pay for them in the store. And then this wreath also is another Anthropology DIY. One of these days we'll finish putting up the trim that we need to around our windows. And then this major scene I just recently bought. It's a Melissa and Doug wood set. And then our Christmas tree is going to go right here in front of the big window. The only problem is that the outlet's over there, so I'll have to wire a cord over there in such a way that isn't too intrusive. And then here's our entryway. I got this new sign and the link to it down below. I need to get it framed for it. These tags are from the same Etsy shop, from Drift Design. My friend Kimmy makes those. I've got some simple garland here and candles. And this is my favorite cozy corner. Sirius likes it too. We're working on our end table. It's a thrift find. Need some wood glue. And then I've got these two prints that are new, also from Drift Design Co., and I need to get some frames for them too. So that's everything except for the Christmas tree. So I'm hoping we can get that this weekend and finish our decorating. But next week, starting on Monday, we'll kick off our 12 days of Christmas DIYs, leading all the way up until Christmas Eve. And I'm going to start with some buy or DIY videos featuring some Christmas decorations from West Elm, Anthropology, Pottery Barn, and then a bunch of fun Harry Potter Christmas decorations. And I'm really excited for that. So I hope that you'll follow along and subscribe. And definitely hit that bell notification so you don't miss the videos coming next week. And with that, I will see you on Monday.